Hello there. In this video we're going to be looking at dimension theory, a grade B topic. Before we go any further, let's remind ourselves of some of the rules of algebra. X times x is x squared. Whoops, daisy. 2x times x is 2x squared. The power of x is still squared. Now if I had x squared, for instance, times x, I'd get x cubed. Right, why is that important? Well, you'll see in a moment. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to try and work out whether the formulae that we have here stand for length, in which the units would be, for instance, without any power, like centimeters or meters, etc., or whether the formula stands for area, in which case we're going to get units squared, centimeters squared, meters squared, etc., or whether the formula stands for volume, in which case you get centimeters cubed, meters cubed, etc. Right, now, how do we determine whether the formula above here, formulas 1, 2, 3 and 4, whether they represent length, area or volume? Well, let's see how you do it. Let's do question 1. What you do is you multiply out the brackets just as it was an algebraic, simplifying an algebraic expression, so you get 2x squared plus 2xy. Then you replace every letter, in this case x and y, with, let's pick the most standard unit, centimeters, and we get 2 centimeters squared plus 2 centimeters times centimeters. This last bit is, of course, going to be centimeters squared. So what would you end up with? 2 centimeters squared plus 2 centimeters squared. You'd end up with 4 centimeters squared. And the key bit is not the number, it's the units, centimeters squared. So this must be a formula for area, because the units are centimeters squared. Let's go through that again with example 2. So you multiply out the brackets, so we get 3x plus 3y. Replace every instance of x and y with centimeters, and we get 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters equal to 6 centimeters. There's no power, so this must represent length. Let's go through the last two. Question 3, multiply out the brackets, we get 2x squared yz plus z to the power 4. Replace every instance of x, y and z with centimeters, and we get 2 centimeters squared times centimeters plus centimeters to the power 4. Let's look at the left hand side. You'd end up with 2 centimeters to the power 4 plus 1 centimeter to the power 4. So it's 3 centimeters to the power 4. We're not interested in the number, we're interested in the power of the units. And it's to the power 4. There are no, that doesn't represent length, area or volume. So it's none of the above. None of length, area or volume. Final one. 4. Let's multiply out the brackets. You get 4x squared y plus 8x squared z. Replace x, y and z with centimeters, and you get 4 centimeters squared times centimeters plus 8 centimeters squared times centimeters. So that's 4 centimeters cubed plus 8 centimeters cubed equal to 12 centimeters cubed. What are the units? The units are centimeters cubed, so this represents volume. Now, last one we're going to look at is a really tricky one. What about this? 6x, x squared plus y squared, all over x plus z. So let's multiply out the brackets. So you get 6x cubed plus 6x y squared all over x plus z. Replace the x, y and z with centimeters, and we get 6 centimeters cubed plus 6 centimeters plus, remember the 1, we haven't got a coefficient, centimeters squared, all over 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. Simplify the top and we get 6 centimeters cubed plus 7, sorry, there should be a times there, sorry about that guys, plus 6 centimeters cubed all over 2 centimeters. So we have 12 centimeters cubed divided by 2 centimeters. Cancel down the numbers. and cancel down the powers here. Centimetres cubed divided by centimetres squared. So this represents area. Now, just before I go, quick reminder, easily forgotten facts. It's all to do with converting units. 1 centimetre equals 100. Sorry about that. Equals 10 millimetres. But 1 centimetre squared equals 10 squared millimetres squared. In other words, it's 100 millimetres squared. And 1 centimetre cubed equals 10 cubed millimetres cubed. In other words, it's 1,000 millimetres cubed. A similar thing, even more likely one you're going to get is converting metres to centimetres. So 1 metre is 100 centimetres. 1 metre squared is 100 squared centimetres squared. In other words, 10,000 centimetres squared. And let's look at 1 metre cubed. 1 metre cubed equals 100 cubed centimetres cubed. In other words, it's 1,000,000 centimetres cubed. Okay, I hope that helped. See you again. Bye.